Do you find it hard to get traffic from the social web? Well, who doesn't? Social algorithms are tough. They're getting harder and harder to get more traffic from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and every other social site out there. Hey everyone, I'm Patel, and today I'm going to teach you how to get more social traffic using these 7 free tools. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. That way when I give you more social media advice, you'll get notified. Now, I have a question for you. How many of you guys are getting little to no traffic from Facebook? If you're getting little to no traffic, leave a comment with yes. If you're getting a ton of traffic, leave a comment with no. Either way, the tools I'm going to teach you today won't just help you get more traffic from Facebook, but they'll help you get more traffic from all the major social sites. The first tool I have for you guys is an easy one, Hootsuite. It allows you to schedule your social content out. With Hootsuite, not only can you share your content on all the social sites with ease and a few clicks, but you can also schedule out your content many months in advance. This is important because most people share their content once on social sites like Twitter. But if you share your content on Twitter 6 times in a year, that same piece of content, you'll roughly get 2 to 3 times more traffic. It's a simple hack, works well, and you should be doing that. Remember, when you share your content, most of the people won't see it. So there's nothing wrong with sharing that content 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times throughout the year. I usually do that same piece of content once every 2 months, so roughly 6 times a year. The next tool I have for you is ManyChat. Although you're struggling to get traffic from Facebook, ManyChat will solve that. It's a chatbot tool, leverages Facebook Messenger, and what you'll find is the click-through and the open rates are ridiculous. It beats out email. If you want easy traffic, leverage ManyChat. What it'll do is when people come to your website, they can subscribe to you through Facebook Messenger, and then when you have a blog post or message, you can push it out through ManyChat. You'll get open rates above 60%, and you'll get click-through rates well above 30, 40, 50%. The numbers are crazy. Over time, it drops down, but even when it drops down, you'll still see your click-through rate above 30%. It's that effective. The third tool I have for you, Buzzsumo. You end up writing content. When you write content, a lot of times you share it on the social web and no one wants to like it or comment or engage with it. But with Buzzsumo, it'll show you all the other popular articles within your space and all the ones that aren't popular. Look at the topics that are popular, write more of that on your blog, promote those on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on Twitter, and again, you'll get more traffic because you're only writing stuff that people want to read about and see versus just writing whatever you want to write about. The fourth free tool I have for you is Socialblade. I know it's that site that everyone knows when it comes to YouTube, but they do more than YouTube. They also do Instagram, they do Twitter, they do all the major social sites out there. What's cool about Socialblade is it'll show you your subscriber growth over time, as well as how much content you're pushing out. It'll help you find patterns on, hey, if I put out 5 tweets, do I get more followers when I only put out versus if I only put out 1 tweet? Or on YouTube, how many more subscribers am I getting per day based on how much content I'm producing? This will help optimize how much content you should be creating to get the maximum amount of subscribers, fans, and followers. The next tool I want you to use is HelloBar. You're probably wondering, what does HelloBar have to do with social media? HelloBar helps you collect emails from your website. Here's the thing. In the first hour that you're posting content on the social web, any social site, if it does really well, the chances are it'll go viral. Use HelloBar to collect emails from your blog or your website. When you collect these emails, then when you push out content on the social web, you send out an email blast to all your email subscribers saying, hey, check out this post on Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter. That'll help you get way more retweets, likes, shares, and that'll make the post go viral. The sixth tool I have for you is Subscribers. Subscribers is similar to HelloBar, but instead of helping you collect emails, it helps you collect browser notification subscribers. That way when people are browsing your site in Chrome, they can click one button, subscribe, and you can push out a notification and let all these people know when you have new content that just came out, and you can even push them to the social sites. That way when it gets released in the first hour, you'll get more likes, shares, and comments. Again, this will help you go more viral. The seventh free tool I have for you is Zoho Social. Zoho Social makes it easy to work with your team members, and on top of that, they help you research keywords. By using Zoho Social, it'll help you determine what keywords you should be targeting when you're going after these social sites, because if you're using the wrong keywords in your titles, descriptions, throughout the whole text, you'll find that not as many people will see it. A lot of people are doing searches on these social sites. A lot of people use Twitter search. Use the right keywords, you'll get more traffic. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell other people about it, subscribe to the channel. Of course, if you need help with your social media marketing, check out my ad agency, Neil Patel Digital.